Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to either enable or disable the DRM or as digital rights management features in the Mozilla Firefox web browser. So there are various reasons why you may need to turn these features. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a Firefox browser. And then dito lang sa top right corner, i-click mo lang tong 3-line icon na to. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung settings. And then dito sa left side menu, dito lang sa general, i-click mo lang yan. And then next ay mag-scroll down lang tayo at hanapin natin yung DRM. Okay? And then ito na siya. So makikita mo dito na digital rights management DRM content. Kung paano ba natin ito enable or disable. So, i-check mo lang itong bug. So, ibig sabihin yan, naka-enable siya. Kung gusto mong i-disable, so uncheck mo lang siya. Or other informations kung anong ibig sabihin ng DRM, i-click mo lang itong learn more. And then, madirect tayo dito sa support Mozilla. Kung anong ibig sabihin ng DRM or digital rights management, is a technology that enables online video and audio services to enforce that the content they provide is used in accordance with their requirements. This technology may restrict some of the things you can do in the browser. Ayan. So, in other informations naman dito mga kaibigan, ay makikita mo dito. So, scroll down ka na. Right? So, ganoon lang po kasimple on how to enable or disable DRM content in Mozilla Firefox. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.